My name is Carmela and I'm a technical service representative for Dräger. I have two boys, one's 8 and one's 10. They actually do an after-school activity called Star Wars Jedi program. When something breaks, they come running to me, "Mommy, fix this, please." I take out my tools and I fix whatever I can for them. And it's like my job. There's days that you have to be like a Jedi. Come in and sneak in and fix it, and then walk out the door and know that you fixed the equipment to the best of your ability. I've had several personal experience with Dräger products. I was actually on the table for surgery. My doctor looked at the anesthesiologist and asked her, "I can't do a blood pressure. I need a blood pressure to be able to put her to sleep." And I looked at her and said, "Can you hit main menu twice and then start the NIBP?" She works for Dräger. She's like, "Oh, okay." She did it, and the whole OR thought it was funny. Started giggling. I love doing what I do. I don't think I could do anything else.